How's it going, guys? Today's another drone day. So this is the 3D printed frame body, I guess, that I made to be able to put the drone, to be able to mount it all together. And it is currently mounted all together. I got my transmitter today, and so I've been using this to test it out, and I finally got it to work on Linux with this. I showed yesterday that it was working, that it was able to respond to or detect the movements of the accelerometer, but now it actually responds with the transmitter, so that's really nice. I guess I was using the wrong pin on the Arduino. Anyway, so I have kind of a funny issue with it right now that I'm still trying to work out, but I'll just show you where I'm at right now. So I have it plugged into the computer, and then I'll turn this on, which provides power to the ESCs, electronic speed controllers. You can hear the motors turn on. And then I'll go over here and connect it to the computer just so we can see. And then I'll go down here and I will turn on my radio. And so now you can see that the throttle is at 1010, and I can move it up and down. And I also have the roll, the pitch, and the yaw. There we go. On the controller. So that's good. I got all that set up. Now my issue is that when I try to arm the motors, only 2 of them start spinning. And they're the opposite ones, which are turning, let's see, both of those are turning counterclockwise. And these 2 clockwise ones are not, that one and that one. Those ones are not spinning, so I'm going to disarm them now. And the others are just beeping, which I've read, according to the manual for the ESCs, that just means that there's something wrong with the configuration. And I think part of it might be that I'm powering it currently with this computer power supply, and that doesn't have enough current to support more than just 2 of these ESCs, but they shouldn't be consuming a full 12 amps while they are set to such a low setting, so I'm not sure. I already tried it with this battery that I also got as well, and that didn't work either. Same result. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Just wanted to give you an update. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe because I make videos all the time about, that's getting kind of annoying, huh? There we go. I make videos all the time about 3D printing and about Bitcoin mining as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like. I'd appreciate it a lot, and we will see you in the next one.